Lovely fans, may Edochie go soon arrest this man. This time around, may Edochie is going to lock up Yoyoyo. Because this man is stepping out of his boundary. There is a boundary between Yoyoyo and May Edochie and the children. But at this point, it looks like this man is stepping out of his boundary. Yoyoyo, the frustrated, depressed ex-husband that want to become a spiritual husband like Korah Obidi ex-husband, have decided that he will not give me Edochie and the daughter peace, according to what we heard. He told them to their face that he's not going to give them peace. And the reason why he said this, na carry con give una. Abeg make una draw una chair, draw joko. Make una con hear the details of Yoyoyo. Before I go into that, my lovely fans, Daniela, Yoyoyo, which has been begging his daughter money for some time, say make the daughter give her money, make it do some kind of business. The daughter, Daniela, refused. Since Yoyoyo here say the maternal home, which is May Edochie family, they gave Daniela some plot of land and they supported her with some money. The desperate Yoyoyo, that money into the calculator. Another person money into the calculate, the one where they won't give her how you want to use her. But surprisingly for Yoyoyo, Yoyoyo did not get a dime, not even one kobo from that money. Yoyoyo became angry. Really angry. After trying everything possible to convince Daniela that Daniela should send him some amount of money. Imagine. Hey. To the extent this one actor called Daniela say, make Daniela not tell him mama, make he sell some plot of land. Make he give her the money. Say he will use the money to establish. When he establish, Daniela will still inherit that money from him. The Daniela no answer you. So it looked like this man became frustrated after trying a number of times to try to convince Daniela that Daniela should give him money for his own personal use, which Daniela refused. You became frustrated and went as far as to do this. My lovely fans, imagine this man telling the daughter that the daughter will later inherit his property. But before she inherit the property, Daniela go sell some plot of land without the mother knowing about it and give him the money. That is how frustrated una had to be now. That Daniela refused to listen to him. Out of that frustration, now Yoyoyo scatter everywhere. Before I give you the details, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. God bless you. To my wonderful and amazing subscribers, God bless you all. So, my lovely fans, Yoyoyo decided to do damage control. Not be small damage control. Thank God say Nigeria not be Nigeria we know that time. Say Nigeria don't upgrade small. Hey, now another story now we for the year. Yoyoyo went to all these people where they borrow money. Carry a daughter ID follow body. Some people will say, how did he get it? He have it. Now a daughter. Yoyoyo have all the Daniela ID, everything about it. Even go reach May Edochie. He dey with them. He dey with them. He carry Daniela ID, go where they borrow money. Won't go use Daniela to borrow money. Now, when he reached there, he say, "Na daughter, now I want to borrow money because now the daughter need the money, and the daughter is already working, but she just need this amount of money. Not be small money, oh, not be small money. Una see, if I dey tell una say this man is next to Ekwensu, una no dey believe. How can you even have that conscience to borrow such amount of money, put that kind of debt for your daughter neck? All in the name of she can pay it back. So, you can't reach there. As he reached there, because he won't borrow money with the daughter name, he brought everything. Everything was going fine. Until they asked you to sign as guarantee. You need guarantee, abi? person must sign as guarantee now. They say, me you sign, you they carry me Edochie paper. Me Edochie ID, they come aside. Say, now me Edochie, the mama, na go do guarantee. Say, he already they do guarantee for his son. So the mother should be the one to do guarantee. As if he's talking to Momo people. Now, these people now tell you. Okay, if the mother wants to do the guarantee, let the mother come here. Let her come and sign if she's going to be the guarantee. Because Daniela will fit borrow money with her name. But there must be somebody that will sign and say, if Daniela not pay, I will pay. And the only person that they can do that with is somebody that will sign life sign. They go sign, you go there here. Camera, everything go they see you. Now they tell you, you say, they no fee give you this money, they no fee borrow you without me Edochie not come as a guarantee. So Yoyo was trying to convince them. They told him that he should stand as a guarantee. Yoyo said no. See, he'd already stand as guarantee for his son. Now they can say, okay, make he fill one form. He can't fill the form. As he fill the form, inside that form, the number of the daughter was asked and he dropped the number of the daughter. These agents, whether they borrow money, they reached out to Daniela, asking if he has any, asking her if she know that the father is going to borrow money with her name. Daniela said, God forbid. Say he never see Papa for some time now. He and the Papa, they know they communicate like that. They are not even in a good relationship. So, he don't even know whether the Papa won't go borrow money. Now they can say, okay, they just want to confirm from you. Because maybe if they draw money tomorrow, you go say, I don't know. A lot has happened to them for this business. So before they borrow money now, before they do them, but now, before they borrow money, they make sure say they control where. Everybody must sign and agree. When they can't draw money, this one will say, oh, I did not know, I know. Now Daniela say, he not get hand, he not get leg. So they told Daniela that he came to borrow money with the name of Daniela and using the wife, which is Daniela's mother, to stand as guarantee. Now Daniela said, they say, the papa and the mama don't even divorce. They are no longer together, starting from there. So the people, anything where you tell them, it's their own risk. You not get hand, get leg. You not send the papa message. So they went back to Yoyo and they told Yoyo that. So they told Yoyo if Yoyo can stand as a guarantee, they will start the process. But if Yoyo no say he need the money urgently, make he go bring me Edochie come. We be guarantee, make consign. Now Yoyo can say, okay, he go reach out to them. After trying to convince them, he say, these people no agree. He can say, okay, he go reach out to them. He can come out. As Yoyo come out for them, not say, now Daniela call her. Now Daniela call and tell her, say, did you go anywhere to borrow money with my name? Now you say, which kind of talk be that? Now Daniela say, no talk am. The people called with their number. They have evidence, the paper and everything. We take go there. Just tell her the truth. Now you say, which truth? Which truth saying go borrow money? He no go borrow money before. When he asked you money, did you give him? When he told you that he's frustrated, that everything is down, did you borrow him money? Did you give him money? Did you? Hey, Wele Sokoto. Daniela said, you say, did you give him money? So why won't he borrow money? He go borrow money. This one's not given. He dey go another place, go try. Before he try many places, he go see the ones where they'll give him. And na your name and your mama name, now go use to borrow money. That money will not agree giver. Now go use and take pay these people. Not with please, but threatening Daniela that is going to use the name of Daniela to borrow money. Now so una have to do for straight rich. Now so una have to do for straight rich. Going around looking for who to borrow him money, using the daughter name to borrow money. Are you people sure this man is still okay? Are you people sure all is well with you? Me, wey sit down here, I can tell you for guarantee that you all is not well. The frustration has gotten up to his head. Imagine going to borrow money with the name of his daughter. Which papa dey pray make pikin go backwardness? Not be make pikin go front, person dey pray. That is to tell you, say your condition is really critical. So, after Daniela tried to talk to this man called his father, to try to understand why will he even do such a thing, the mama refused to help him. They will go and pay this money somewhere. That was when Daniela reached out to the mother and told the mother, see what is happening. See what is happening. Now me Edochie say, at this point, actions need to be taken. Because nobody know what this man go do. If you go use Daniela name to fit do one thing, who know? Because at this point, he's desperate. Very, very desperate. According to what we hear, they say me Edochie won't take action. Serious action on this matter. Because according to her, she cannot fold her hand and let you come and destroy her daughter for her. If your life is frustrated, it is his business. Now what he wants for a life be that. He was not lacking, he has everything. He decided to go that way. Oga, go in peace. You know they let the rest. Every day must come up with one. Imagine going to borrow money with Daniela name. Little girl, we just they grow come for life. The next thing they will send her a message. Or they start to take money from your account. They'll say debt. You are owing this, you are owing this, you are owing this. How will this girl survive? Now Daniela and me Edochie, they decided to take action. They decided to take action. Me, I even hear from person, say me Edochie don't call some lawyers. Don't come some lawyers for this case. Because this is a case. We heard that me Edochie has even gone to do police reports. Because the yo wanna see for there is not ready to submit. The daughter tried to confront him. Instead of him to tell the daughter, oh, I'm sorry. He's even threatening the daughter that he's still going somewhere else to try his luck if they will borrow the money. After all, the daughter and the mother, they can afford it. Why will he be suffering when he has a daughter that can help him? Now see, so he believes that Daniela must help him by thunder by fire. Whether Daniela like it or not, she don't have a choice. She just have to help him. So that is what you believe in. Now, me Edochie, according to what we hear, they don't go police station and she's taking a lawyer on this. That means the matter go tough. The matter go tough because they have to stop the Ole Bruku before he put them into problem. Some people that borrow money these days, even only with name, they don't borrow money for line. A lot of people are in debt. Some people have used their name, their things to borrow money. Imagine coming from your own father. Now so you don't frustrate Risho if you never know. The man is frustrated and depressed. Frustrated and depressed. He said me Edochie and Daniela refused to give him money. He said they see that money where they not give and they go pay him one way or the other. Not every agent will be that wise like this one when they for expose them. Some go borrow and the money. After all, in name na you. They go borrow and the money. So before such damage could take place, me Edochie have to take action. Have to stop this prodigal spiritual ex-husband when he refused to stay inside bottle which you drink when so important. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. Oh. This man be like say part 2 arrest, they come for him. Be like say this time around, you go in and pay for it. Because this is called fraud. Fraud, criminality now you they commit. All in the name that my daughter refused to help me. Is your daughter the one that is supposed to help you? Happy you are the one that is supposed to help her. If to say she drop out for the university, for see matter they thought say my daughter will help me. Wonder shall never end. Oh. You really enter the wrong road. Oh. Enter the wrong road. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.